Hello friends, today we are going to be customizing and making our Christmas ornaments. So if you're interested in that for Vlogmas, stay tuned. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside. Hello friends, and welcome back to Coop. Coop is a place where we talk about travel, luxury, lifestyle, planning, and everyday entertaining. Well, welcome to Vlogmas. We are into day 3, and today we are making these custom Christmas ornaments. Now, I got these ornaments. My mother is passing down a lot of her things lately. I got these ornaments from her where she has created name tags for each member of the family and placed them on the ornaments. As you can see, these ornaments do take batteries and they will light up independently, but I didn't do that this year. I'm going to maybe add those lights next year. Each ornament has on the inside of it either an angel or a Christmas tree. And so I wanted to make my own tabs or tags of family members. So I just quickly got on Canva and I created these tags. And you'll see how I'm doing that now. I just went in and found a tag shape, and then I duplicated it several times, and then I went in and I added the names of all of my family members. First, I just put in my name many times, and then I went in just to get the sizing and positioning right, and then I went in and I added all of my family members. And this is a fun thing to do for your family room so that you can make it more personal this Christmas holiday. And then I printed these out and I'm just sitting down to cut them out and punch a hole in each and every tag. On another day, I just came back to tie each tag onto each ornament. I realized that my hole that I had punched was a little too small and I needed to make a larger hole for each of the ornaments. So you'll see me doing that here, and you might see a little bit of rocking and a little hand clapping and a little hand raising because I was watching church while I was doing this. And that just made the time go a little bit faster.
Oh, come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
So this year I'm going to put these ornaments on my family room tree, or trees. I have 2 trees in the family room, and that will make it a little bit more personal for the holidays. Stay tuned for the next video, or maybe even a few videos from now in Vlogmas, where I show you how I attach each of these ornaments to the tree.